Okay everyone, in this video I want to share to all of you about how to make this modern minimalist table with a double support in the bottom. Okay, so first of all we have to make the rotated rectangle. We can set the height of the table. The height of the table is around 500, and the length of the table it's around 800. Okay, approximately just like this, and I will show you about the dimension for the height and then for the length of the table. Okay, this one. Okay, then we have to push it up until around 15 millimeter, and triple click, right click, and just make group, and then we have to select the rotated rectangle and click from the corner to corner with diagonal, and then we have to offset it inside around 100. Okay, then we have to delete some unnecessary line right there, and please triple click on this edge to select all of our outline that I've made before, and then we have to right click and erase, and then we have to push it up until 100 or 200 or 150, and then triple click and make group, and then we have to, using the rectangle, draw from the corner to corner, and then we have to offset it inside around 50 millimeter, and then we have to delete some unnecessary plane, right click and erase, and then we have to click for all of our corner, all of our outline, right click and erase. Okay, so then we have to push it up until 50 millimeter or just 30 millimeter. Triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then we have to make group and right click and flip it along with a blue axis. Okay, it's done, and thanks for watching. Just wait for my next video. Thank you.